Got a box opening here, and then it's going to be a box opening and assembly. But I'll probably do the box opening, then pause till I get everything ready and unpacked to start the assembly so I don't go over 60 minutes or whatever. Won't take me that long to assemble it, but here goes. That was my dog getting jumpy. What do we got here? Alright, let's see, shall. Put this up. I can go there. Styrofoam. Gotta love styrofoam, huh? There we go. Put that right there. That's gonna get tossed. What we got here? Got the screening. Let's see. Got this. Plastic. I have to find out what that goes to. We got the instructions right here on the floor now. Got the instructions right here. Or the destructions, you should say, whichever one. Now let's see here. The English, yeah, it is English. Yeah, this is English, so that's good. At least it's not Spanish. Or China. That's kind of, well, it wouldn't be Spanish, it'd be China. Because this did come from China. So let's do some different stuff here. Alright, let's move this over here. See what else we got in here. We got a chain right here. There's the lid. I guess that goes on the inside so it don't mess the sandblasting, don't really mess the glass up, I guess. Okay. Hope that don't fall. Be bad if I just got it and I broke the glass, huh? Right, here's something here. Piece come out, small washer of some sort. Which is this little piece right here. Little washer right here. We'll set that over there. Alright. We have to do some cleanup. Okay, let me pause. I'm going to get a trash can. Hold on. Let me pause for a second. Alright, I'm back. I want to get a trash can so I can start tossing too. Down here. This cardboard. Go grab something. Let's see, right here. This is what I went to grab. Make this easier to get all the stuff off. Looks like we have a light. Put that in there. Another piece, you can throw that away. Actually, I can put that right there since my dog Blue is outside right now. What we got here? Got the corner for the legs. We got the gloves. Okay. We got the top of the dome. This is a 20. Says 25-gallon sandblasting cabinet. So it'll do basically main stuff you want to do. There's this. This I don't need. Go there. It goes in there. These go in here. And this is the cage. That's for the bottom of it. Here's a small bolt. I guess that would be for the washer that's over here. It's small enough. Yep. And I don't know why that fell out, but then again, it may be just an extra. Could be just an extra, though. Not for sure, not for sure. Let's find out and see what we got here. Anything else in here? Nope, just a box. So we can put this back in. Okay. And we can fold this back up. There we go. Get rid of this. Don't need this. Put that up there. That can go up there. Now I got my table clear. There we go. I got my pieces up here. So we got this piece. Kind of bent. But I'm sure everything will straighten out at some point. Got the sides. Let me put this stuff in here. And we got both sides. Okay. So let me see. Got that in the top. We need this right chair. Gotta have that. Now we don't need these right now, so we put those down there. We need these. There we go. Bubble wrap. Everybody loves bubble wrap. Now let's see here. This would be the back. Yeah, I think this is the back. Those are the sides. So let's put this over here. Okay. Put this over here. Let's see about the sides right here. Okay, here's the sides. There we go. So we gotta go down like this. Okay. This can go over here. So let's get the back. I'm thinking this will be the back right here. Okay. So let me see now. I think this. Let me see here. It's got 4. There's 3 there, 3 there, 4 here. Go like this. One, 2, 3, 4. Just slide in like this. Does it go over here? Turn this around. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's how that goes. That goes on this side. So this one goes on this other side over here. There we go. Let's find a box. Alright, we need this. And I just lost that little screw. Hopefully I don't need it. I forgot it was on top. But it's down there somewhere. On the floor. I'll have to find it later because it's on the floor. If I don't find it or see it, I'll just get a magnet or something. Because it's kind of hard to use a metal detector in here because of the pine flooring. It's got nails in it. So you're going to hit, it's going to go off a lot. Okay, so what we got here. I'm pretty sure I'll find it because it's right in that area. We got gasket maker. That'll seal everything up. We got the on and off switch right here. That plugs in and needs tightened. Why is that loose? Oh, I see why it's loose. Okay, that needs tightened. Alright, what we got here? We got Teflon tape. We have a filter system. Okay, that's bolts, nut, and some other stuff. Okay, we've got the nuts and bolts right there for that. Got the smaller ones for all around right there. Got the bigger ones for the bigger ones. Got all the hoses. I've got another one of these too for another thing I got. I've got another one of these because I bought one, so I've got two of them. What we got here? That and the hose, okay, we got that. Got the latches for the top, got the extra ones for the sandblasting. And we got the other hinges, plus we've got this. Okay. You would think this would extend, don't you? Oh well, no. Okay, there we go. Don't need this no more. Box is done. Let's see what's in here. That's the power cord. This is the power cord for it. Okay, so we got to put... So the first off, what we need these. First off, we need these, and we need these. So this, we need them. This, and we need them. We can use this later, so we may need that. Hoses and this we use later, so let's put them over here. Put this other stuff over here, and I'll show you where I'm putting that stuff. That stuff is going right over there on that, the thing of wood. It's got wood in it, and then it's right on top of that. So let's put you back over here. Okay. Alright, now we need, what we need here? We need a Phillips. Alright, we need a Phillips. So let me pause this and go find a Phillips. Hello. This is all before assembly. I said pause to set everything up. That's why I said hello. And I'm going to pause again. And it's going to be assembly. It's going to be that quick. See you in a bit. Minutes for me, seconds for you. See you in a bit.